Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, then I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rakesh, and I live in Himalayas. And I teach English on the online platform. So, my friend, right now it's evening time. It's 6 o'clock in the evening, and you can see there are so much lush greenery. So, right now I'm in my field. I was working all days today. Then I thought I should walk a little in the evening time, and I should also film a blog. So, my friend, right now you can see I am walking through the field, okay, and I will show you something. You have to recognize that fruit. It's my guarantee that if you are living in city, then you will never recognize that fruit. I will show you this one. What is this in English? If you, I will show you again this one. What is this? This fruit. So this fruit actually is in village, and it's also good. Yeah, it's sweet. It's a sweet and good for. It's also actually it's a antioxidant. Okay, sweet, good for stomach. It's a little bit sour, but this one is actually those are fully ripen. They are sweet. So if you know about this fruit, then you can just comment me. And I just want to, I just want how many people know about this fruit, the name of the fruit. In village, so many trees of that fruit. So you can see here. Right now, I'm in my grass field. This one is my uncle field. There is a fancy. I'm crossing that fancy, and this one is our field. So I will show you one thing that is the head of the wheat stem, we can say. That is the head of the wheat stem, okay. That is the grain part, okay. And you can see this wheat, it's actually little wheat. Yeah, it's about to ripen, and I think harvesting is about to be 5 and 6 days. Yes, this is our field. So in our wheat field there is not much wheat. There's small stem, and you can say the head of the grain is very small. So this time I can say we will not have much wheat grain in from this field, okay. But other field there we also have so much other field. So in that field, grain wheat crop is good. So my friend, I will show you. That is the forest area. It's a small forest area, okay. So in that weed there is a weed. So we actually feed that weed to our buffalo. This weed, it's very good for animal, and the animal actually eat this weed very interestingly. So you can see very narrow way. This is very narrow way. I have to walk very carefully. And again, the tray of that fruit, you can see this time is so much very sweet. This time there are so many trees of this such kind of fruits, but we actually do not eat that fruit much. And I will show you more, that is fruit. Okay, I will show you. Are you, I think that one, you can see that fruit is called fig. So fig, that is a fig tree. So we also have a fig tree. So there are so many fruits tree in our field nearby our home. So we don't need to buy much fruit from the uh, shop. We buy only apple and some other fruits. Okay, but the seasonal fruit, there are so many seasonal fruits in our area nearby our village. So we eat that seasonal fruit and remain healthy. That is the thing. So I think wheat harvesting is about to, within 1 week. So within 1 week, I will show you that how we harvest our wheat in this sunny day, in that sunny days, because this time, so climate is very hot these days, but we have to harvest that wheat in that hot climate, because these days sunrise, I think 6:30 in the morning time. So when like after after half an hour, it like a very hot sun actually shines so much, too much. I will show you that one. This field has good wheat grain. So this field belongs to our villager field, but they have a, right now they have a good wheat grain. So that is a good thing. Actually, this time some stray animal, cow and some other stray animal, they actually destroyed our wheat. That's why this time we can say the wheat yield will be less. But no problem, we will survive because we have so much wheat in our granary. So granary means where we store our wheat crop. Okay, that is called granary. So here, that is that fruit. You recognize that fruit and you just comment me the name of that fruit. Okay, I just want to know if you know that fruit name or not. Okay, let me eat. Wonderful. When we eat such few fruits, our tongue turn into a blue color. So I'm going back to my home. I just came here to walk around, nothing else. Wanted to see my field. So my friend, just like, share and subscribe my video, and tell me how's my English. I want to show you so many things, but just comment me. I can show you my garden, vegetable garden, and so other things. Okay, there are so many things in village to show, but the thing is that right now I have very little, very less view in my long video, so that's why. But if you give me positive response, then I will definitely show you something good from our village life. Okay, there are so many wheat field in this area, so many wheat field. Okay, that all these areas wheat field actually belongs to our village. Okay, actually in our village there are 100 and 150 house. So all these field belongs to our village, laser people. Yeah. So please like, share, and comment, like, share, and subscribe my video, and please tell me and just encourage me. Okay, how is my English? What improvement should I do in my speaking? So I'm just trying. I'm not a fluent English speaker. I'm just trying, and I'm just trying to show you my village.